My people, I greet all of una for wherever we una dey. Onyele nzere. E get matter when I carry come for this very moment. Because they say if sand too plenty for garri, blind man go know say that garri no be better one. Nigeria na my country. Na all of una wey dey watch me wey be Nigeria country. Though it affect many African countries, this is what I want to talk about too, but most especially in Nigeria. E get one fatal accident when I see Chai Oluwa. On a normal ground, this accident no suppose happen if Nigeria dey work. Because other countries, civilized countries when I don't visit, trailers not dey work for daytime wey be say small motor dey run. And even the ones where they run, they get their road. But you know today common say trailers, all these big lorries, tanker, they operate for daytime. Now night, where small motor not dey road again, they take the operates. But Nigeria, big lorry go dey follow even leg, they drag road. Road where be say motor self no suppose pass am. You go see tipper, you go see big lorry, tanker where they pass am. Is that country? Waiting the invest me back. The problem of Nigeria, they no go talk. Waiting no be our problem. Now they go dey make us believe say now be our problem. And who they do to all these people? Pastors. Pastors go dey tell members say make them go mountain, make them pray, make them fast, make them do this. Say that one go solve their problem. As such, who tell you say that one won't solve your problem? You get government wey go solve your problem. They go dey sleep for their office. They embezzle money wey be say now for me and you to take better. Only them go dey chop am. Even some part of their family self still dey suffer. You no go carry your members, men go government house, men go protest. If for every pastors, all the big churches for Nigeria, they go government house, go protest, carry all the members. You know how many thousand members go protest for their rights? Nigeria go better. When I go tell them say, make them go mountain, make them go pray, make them do this one, make them do this one. Prayer waiting. You think say God go fall from heaven? God no fit fall from heaven. Now human being, God don't put human being for that position to develop the country. All these countries we don't develop, you think say na fasting and prayer they take develop? All these civilized countries, we all of now they rush they go, una go sick, small fever, malaria, una go London, una go Dubai. Dubai of yesterday. When Dubai become country, get independent of their own. Today now small London, now they go there, they enjoy, they snap picture, they post. They carry una children, they go there for holidays. Una wife, they go there for holidays. But una country, una no fit make am. Many people they come una country for holidays. What a shame. Pity. No be church, no be fasting and prayer, those countries they be like that. Now by work, human being where they there, the citizens they know their right, they protest for their right. The people with the power, they God fearing. You understand? Now make they develop the country. But Nigeria, everybody with the power, all of them are a bunch of evil, criminals, murderers. Small pikin go, you go see person out of frustration, you go do one thing because they pay maybe like 1 million. Maybe after the thing what I'm murderer, and I go charge and case say na murderer, now this one, but una will be government, now be the main murderer. Una own self no be murderer because murderer na who kill one person. Una own na genocide. Una dey kill generation. Imagine for that road now where that fatal accident happen. If to say una do that road well, no pothole, nothing. The road normal lane, you get like you go in alone, go get like 7 lane. Come in, go get like 7 lane. That is 14 lane. Every motor go dey in lane. That kind of thing no go happen. You know how many people when Nigerian government they kill every day by day through bad road where they no get, they go give una money to construct road, una go chop am. All those people where they die through accidents, through pothole and all of them. Una go tell say una no be murderer. Who they kill all those people? Now they kill them because if una do that road, those people no go die. Then pastors go leave all these things where they supposed to. They go they tell make them go mountain. Who where mountain they self? Where the mountain? These people who introduce Christianity give we African. These people they know they do their things like this, so they get good road. Their road are very motorable. Their road are very leggable. Their road are very bikeable. Anything where you want to use transport yourself, they are available. Their road smooth. What is the warriors? Christianity just spoil everything. Men they preach the truth. Men are not they use church as business. Men are not they do church because in the name of money. Go work. Go and look for work. Don't depend on church. Don't depend that if a member did not pay offering, that did not pay tax, that you will not eat. Don't depend on that. Don't be a lazy man. Go and work. What nonsense. You call yourself being a pastor, you deceive everybody. You can't tell them reality. Apart from now, so now what thing I say make I can't talk this very night, May pastors not the mislead us anymore. Our problem na government. Now be African problem. Government. Every government, not be tree. Una go dey cut tree for village. You say na tree, na hold na tree. Tree dey hold human being. Tree where God creates. and gave man dominion over it. Now it will be your problem to fear quoi. Our bro corona here, but on a pastors on a wicked child, most of on a way they do this thing. Oh, my brother, tree no be your problem. Mountain where you won't go pray, fasting and prayer no be your problem. Your problem na government. Face them. Carry your members go government house. Men are go protest for there and everything goes to you. Now so I talk rich. You know where I talk this thing because now me be onyachiku mense. Sulu get that is the dance of the spirits. A child that wants to know the cause of his parents' death, my brother, must be ready to dance to the tone of Sulgada, who she say more in my dialect. Wait till you not know, you not know. Now your grandmama and now your grandpapa. You know why? Because he senior you. Now so I talk with you. We busukoku, we busukaya kuni, one love.